Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access. Make sure you have at least read permission on the Sharepoint site and the exact list URL. In Power BI Desktop, go to Get Data and pick Sharepoint Online List, then paste the site URL, not the item URL. Once the lists load in the navigator, select the target list and choose Load to import quickly or transform data to clean columns first. This gets you into the dataset immediately and avoids later schema surprises. Once loaded, you clean and shape in Power Query. Remove unused columns, set correct data types, and expand lookup or person fields so Power BI receives flat tables. When you encounter multiple value choice or managed metadata, split and normalize into related tables. This improves model performance. Make sure column names are refresh-friendly and stable, then apply and close to push changes into the model. By modeling intentionally now, you avoid broken visuals. You finish by publishing the report to the Power BI service and configuring dataset credentials, OAuth for SharePoint Online, or a dedicated service account when needed. Then schedule refreshes and install an on-premises data gateway if the list is behind a firewall. If the refresh fails, check 3 things first: permissions, whether the site URL or list internal names changed, and the dataset credentials. Fixing any mismatched column names or reauthorizing the connector usually resolves the common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.